This video will show you the installation of the NUVO 1500 on an above-ground pool. The first step is to unpack the box. You'll have the center tube that holds the ultraviolet light, the NUVO 1500, the timer, the electrical cable, the different fittings and connectors, and the cardboard tube that holds the ultraviolet lamp. Next, loosen the screw holding the return line from the filter back to the pool. You need to install the NUVO 1500 after the filter. Gently twist the hose off the fitting. Next, using a channel lock, untwist the fitting from the multi-port valve on top of the filter. Now use Teflon tape on the threads of the new connecting nipple as shown. Next, screw the taped end into the multi-port valve on the filter. Just get the nipple snugged into the valve. You do not want to over-tighten these connections. Next, take the connector, and remember these threads need to fit over this adapter in this way. Then this threaded adapter needs to be glued into the fitting as shown. Glue the inside diameter of the adapter and then glue the outside diameter of the threaded fitting and push them together. Now put the threaded collar on the fitting. Teflon tape the threaded nipple as shown. Then screw on the fitting you just glued together. Use channel locks to snug up the connection. Remember, don't over-tighten this connection. You don't want to crack the plastic nipple. Next, take the NUVO 1500 and you may have to loosen the center connection to reposition the intake, then screw the NUVO 1500 to the top connection as shown. Now glue the threaded nipple into the adapter for the bottom connection of the NUVO 1500. Then glue the nipple onto the adapter as shown. Screw into the NUVO 1500. Just get the connection snug. Do not over-tighten these connections. Now connect your return hose to the nipple. Next, carefully remove the lamp from the cardboard tube. You should never touch the lamp with your fingers. There are oils on your fingers that if it connects with the lamp, you will reduce the life of the lamp. It's a good idea to use gloves or a paper towel, or just avoid touching the glass. Next, attach the power cable to the lamp. Loosen the connection on top of the NUVO 1500 so you can swivel the NUVO 1500 into an area where you can insert the lamp as shown. Then tighten the connections as shown. Just get them snug. Again, don't over-tighten. Retighten the top connection of the NUVO 1500 and you can check for leaks. Position the electrical cable off the ground, then plug it into the bottom of the timer as shown. For more information about how UV sterilization works and the many benefits, please go to www.solaxx.com.